The International Breakfast.
Come with another Unbonge breakfast. Yes, so as you hear, the international breakfast. Hello, my good lovers of good things. Yes, my name is Lady Zion Sweet Home. As you all know, yes, we are still on this platform. We go nowhere, guys. As I just did waka could carry the thing waiting I want to make this morning. I can figure out, say, okay, I can make this food though, and I would like to share it with my good lovers of good things. So now I take carry and come here, come land bagada for here. And I hope we gonna find this breakfast. Interested, we wanna find the Ogwogo, not the Ngwogo music. Interesting. Oh my God! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you feel they watch this video from. Yes, we got to miss some. We got to scatter them together. So guys, this video is just to have fun with you people, and remember, say waiting I can show you they interesting, so you don't need to think what you want to make this morning, or if you are thinking already, just go on and try this, and you and your kids is going to love it. Yeah, so guys, share this video, watch them. Not be say I dey force you, not be say I dey beg you, because one thing when I notice am say people go see wetin then they find, they go wetin go benefit them. They no go wan watch am, they no go see chance, they no go see time, they no go see data. But if they see another thing wey no go benefit them, you see they go spread their leg, even carry popcorn. They watch am. Me I not talk anything, oh. I just dey talk my own, oh. So this breakfast, may you save your data, watch, and I know so you no go regret why you watch this recipe when I bring come for now. Very easy and very simple. Yes, so also me I talk a ritual. I don't need to make sure and just they wash them, you go see, and at the end you will see how it came out delicious and beautiful. And make you not forget to drop your comment at the comment section. Ask me anything when you know understand for this video, because I just vibe now with my talk as and I do my things too. You see, I just wash the fruits with baking soda. I boil the egg, I open the yogurt. I just do it. I just arrange all the mede at the same time. Just keep watching, and you go. It will be better when they find sleep. Once you take this breakfast finish, or more sleep go they find you. Yes, so now you even they say I don't want sleep. Yeah. So make you enjoy the video, and I hope to see you all on my next video. See, I have so many recipes on my channel, on my page. Check out some of those videos. Maybe you will find some interesting recipe. Yes, so we they make localicious recipe for here. We see they make international one. Anyone you like, just grab them, try them, and you will come tell me how you see the recipe. Bye.
Lady Zion Sweet Home. We cook enjoyable, delicious meals with an experience that sets the standard. Yummy cooking and lifestyle. Lady Zion Sweet Home. Build a healthy community, one individual at a time.
We are the best, we are reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tasted and trusted. We are the best, we are reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tasted, unstoppable. Lady Zion, sweet my beautiful home. Cooking a lifestyle, oh. Building a healthy community, that is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am sweet my beautiful home. Lady Zion, sweet my beautiful home. Cooking a lifestyle, oh. Building a healthy community, that is all we do. One individual at a time, ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am sweet on my beautiful home.
I'm me and no one else.